Normal distribution. First, we consider the given thing in a normal distribution. Then we consider it as a standard normal distribution with the mu 0 and standard deviation 1. Then we solve the problem. Suppose given mu is equal to 10, mu is equal to 55 and standard deviation is equal to 20. Then if they ask to find less than 40, greater than 60, or in between 55 to 60. Three questions I have here. Okay, so first we have to write what is x. So x is a particular variable for which the data is given. Then consider it as a x as is a tends to normal distribution with mean mu 55 and standard deviation 20. Then z is equal to x minus 55 divided by 20 tends to normal distribution with the mean mu 0 and standard deviation 1. Okay, then here first question, less than 40, probability of x is less than 40 is equal to probability of x minus 55 divided by 20 is less than x is 40 minus 55 divided by 20. So we know that x minus 55 divided by 20 is z. So P of z is less than 40 minus 55. 15 divided by 20. So 15 divided by 20, we get 0.75. So this value we plot in the graph first roughly. So that is, okay, this is center point 0. Next, that is mu equal to 0, 0.75. It is a positive value. So positive value lies in the plus infinity side, this right side area. So I will roughly draw it here, 0.75. Here plus infinity, here minus infinity. So since the symbol is less than here, so z is less than 40, so towards negative, this is our region. Okay, from this region we have to find the value. What is the value for this region? From the table. Okay, so in the table, normal distribution table given in the textbook, which I have already sent to you. So normal distribution table, value from minus negative 0.35 to infinity are given, and positive value 0 to infinity up to 3 to infinity values are given here. So our value is now 0.75. For 0.75, the table value is 0.2266. But we have to write little here. Directly we cannot write. So that is area from 0.75 to minus infinity. Since in the table we have a value from minus infinity to plus infinity, in between values to infinity. So 0.75 to minus infinity, we don't have a values here. Therefore, I'll rewrite it. Area from minus infinity to 1 plus infinity. Total area. That is 1 minus area from 0.75 to infinity. 0.75 to infinity. So area from minus infinity to plus infinity is 1 minus area from 0.75 to infinity is 0.75 is 0.2266. 0.2266. So that is 1 minus 0.2266. If you deduct it, 1 minus 0.2266 is 0.7734. So the area from 0.75 to minus infinity is 0.7734. That is the answer. Now you understood, or still you have any doubts here in normal distribution? Do you have any doubts? Okay. Do you want any other question to solve here? Same procedure. If suppose this is greater than 40, suppose, then our shaded area will be towards positive infinity. And the answer is directly 0.75 to plus infinity, and the answer is 0.2266. No 1 minus. If it is greater than. If it is less than, then only we have to do that 1 minus value to infinity. Got it? And in between, that is 55 to 60. So 55 to 60 means in between, like this it will come. So we get a value from this point to plus infinity and this point to plus infinity. So we want the area between these 2 points. So this point A to infinity and this point B to infinity. So if you deduct the area from A to infinity minus B to infinity, we get the area of those 2 points. Okay? In between. So both the values from the table, deduct them from each other. If it is less than, deduct the value from 1, and if it is greater than, directly find the table value and write it. That is the answer. Okay, next